If you're looking to make your Pinterest experience smoother on your Android device, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable Pinterest to open links automatically so you can jump straight from your browser or other apps right into Pinterest with just a tap. This quick update will save you time and make browsing a lot more seamless. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android phone and head over to the Settings app. This is where you control everything about how your phone works, including how apps interact with each other. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it. This will bring up a list of every app installed on your device. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Pinterest. Once you see it, tap on Pinterest to open its app settings. Inside the Pinterest settings, look for an option called Set as Default. This is where you decide what Pinterest should do when you tap on certain types of links. Tap on Set as Default to open more options. Now you'll see a setting called Open Supported Links. This is the key step. Toggle this option on. When you do this, your phone will automatically open any Pinterest-supported link in the Pinterest app, instead of asking you every time, or opening it in your browser. That's it. You've now set up Pinterest to open links automatically on your Android device. From now on, whenever you tap a Pinterest link, whether it's from a message, an email, or your browser, it will take you straight to the Pinterest app, making your experience faster and more convenient. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these same steps and toggle the option off. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to get the most out of your favorite apps.